Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pottery, a first year HRM student at XLRI Jamshedpur.
To get a bit of context here, check out the episodes 5 and 6. And for those of you who have already checked it out, let's get on to the last episode of Term 2.
The next big event there was the alumni meet. And this alumni meet, people who actually passed out in the year of 2000, then people who passed out around 50 years back, people who passed out 25 years back, all those people came in and they celebrated their Silver Jubilee. And many could not come because of the Indigo incident, but the people who came, they were telling us that wherever we have our hostels right now, the St. Thomas hostels, they used to play basketball there. It was their basketball court, and the entire new campus was not into existence. And it's beautiful to listen to the stories from them because they saw the campus in a very different armor as we are seeing it from what we are seeing it now. And I exactly don't remember how long it was for because the alumni were there with us for a really long time. But I remember on the final day, it was like there were many small events which took place at the same time in the same lawn. There were pottery making, there were sketching on the canvas, painting, and then there were something to play with your pets, and then there was caricature, and it was a beautiful little event that took place. And other than that, there was also the award ceremony for the alumni, and we all sat there for them. And when they were being called out that this year, this batch, these people have come to meet us, I could actually think that someday we'll be there, and someday there will be other children, not children, I mean juniors sitting in our places, and probably again Excel would have changed by then. And things will go on like that. I don't know why I'm blabbering about it, but it just feels very surreal to see that there are thousands of people who have actually passed out before you, and not only people who are just your seniors who have retired even after being global CHROs, they have retired and they have come back to Excel to just look at their college, how it has changed over years. And it's a beautiful feeling. Yeah, you won't be able to understand it unless you set your foot on campus. Here are certain clips from our group projects because it takes place anytime. Because as I told you, we had multiple groups, and our study groups, it's not that every time you select your study groups, you will be put into multiple study groups, and you will have to get along with everyone, and you'll have to know how to deal with everyone, and that actually makes studying easier, I think. Then our mess started with this new menu called Kathi Roll. And I never ever thought that someone will take it so literally that they actually put a toothpick in the roll and called it Kathi roll. Because I'm from Kolkata, people say that it's Kolkata's Kathi roll. Never have I ever had a roll with a stick put into it. I mean, I understand kebabs, but what's with sticks and rolls? Come on. After that, there was this random birthday party that I went to. We often have these events, and it's really cool to have ones. And then I went to visit on the rooftop of our LC1, which we are not supposed to visit. But yeah, it was open, so I just went out to look at the garden, at the flowers. And then I realized that we're not supposed to come there. After that, back to our classroom. Our classroom was turned into our boardroom, or rather a newsroom. So every law class, every presentation, we felt as if we are the news anchors and we need to present it as if we are presenting it to the common public from a news media channel. So I don't know why we tried that, but it was interesting, it was fun. And we think ma'am enjoyed that. And after that, for every prof, it was the last class, and we actually took this class picture with our legendary professor, Bachi sir. And his classes were one of the best. I mean, oh my god, he will change your entire thinking process, okay? I mean, I could never match his intellect. It's way beyond me. But whatever I learned from him, I'll remember it forever. And I'll try to build upon that. I'll try to become better. So, yeah, annual moment here. And after that, we also had classes ending with Rahul Chukla sir, your Zat Convener. And it was so fun to do his classes. probably he was the only class where I actually spoke actively in class somewhat, and I loved his classes as well. And then there was this another professor who did not take any picture with us, who even refused to cut the cake, but we loved his classes too. And actually we loved all the classes. And there were once you step to term 2, you'll feel initially that, oh my god, what are these subjects, I cannot relate to anyone, because you won't understand the subjects just by studying. You'll have to analyze it thoroughly, and you'll have to think through it much deeper. You'll have to take others' perspectives into consideration in order to understand the subjects. And these professors, they actually facilitate that thought process, and it's an entirely different experience studying in term 2. According to me, it was, because it was nothing like the 12 or 15 years of studying that I have been doing for so long. So yeah, and after that, hey, and also about the PMA end term, there were like 17 cases, and the 18th case came. I am so unlucky. I just opened the paper and there were 2 questions from Arav and Mira. I was like, who are these people? And it is then that it struck me that there were 18 cases. I read 17 of them, and the one that I did not read, that came in here. But yeah, what's gone is gone. Cannot do anything about that. And then I suddenly thought that between our end term, I'm feeling very monotonous. There are no parties right now, so let's just go and hang out in Sakshi Market for some time. I don't know why I did that, but I just went out in between the end terms and had a little outing for myself. And then in one of the end terms, there was a sitting arrangement given by one of the professors. It's usually roll number wise, but this time it was nothing wise. It was just random. Wherever your sit is, your roll numbers are there, printed on a sheet, and it took us a huge time to find that out. So you will often find your professors finding this not so typical ways to get to you, but you'll have to live through that. After that, with our end terms almost nearing its end, we walked around the campus looking at all the decorations, and for Christmas, they did a beautiful decoration in front of the library at the junction of XL, where on the first day we took multiple pictures, and it was a beautiful decoration made out there. And after that, I am here again in Kolkata, and that was my term 2.